Microsoft Intune is a type of platform that helps us to establish a modern security for our on-premises resources. Hey everyone, this is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor, and in this class, I'm going to guide you everything that help you to enroll Mac operating system based machine over a Microsoft Intune portal. Because as you are aware about, we can enroll any types of platform over a Microsoft Intune portal like Windows, Android, Linux operating system, Chrome operating system, and now it's time to understand the way, the procedure, the prerequisite to enroll any Apple devices. So I'm sharing my screen. Let me tell you about the prerequisite because this is really important for every Intune administrator. You should know about the prerequisite. What are the things that we need to keep in our mind to enroll our Mac machine over our Intune portal? So for the enrollment of any device, I'm not talking about only the Mac operating system. You must need to create, right? For example, this is our Intune portal. And over our Intune portal, our responsibility to create one user. And the second option, you should assign license, right? So license should be contain the feature of Microsoft Intune because few Microsoft 365 licenses can authorize us to enroll our on-premises machine, means that contain the feature of Intune. Or if you don't have option in your package license, so you can go with the Intune plan 1 or plan 2 because these two licenses can also give us option to enroll the devices. So very basic steps required. Please try to create one user, assign the license of Microsoft Intune, and then configure Mac certificate. Yes, this is really important, Mac certificate, because the enrollment of our normal Windows machine is totally different because you can easily enroll with the help of MDM discovery URL or by using the company portal. Easily we can enroll our on-premises Windows based machine. But in case of Mac operating system, this is totally different platform from Microsoft. So you need to provide lots of information. You need to justify yourself, prove yourself that you are going to enroll by self on premises. For example, this is your Mac machine, and to on premises Mac machine, you just need to download company portal, right? You should download company portal tool and then log in company portal with the help of same Intune user. That's it. Another prerequisite, system must be connected with the internet speed of 25 to 30 Mbps internet speed required. And then we can easily connect both the portal. It will hardly take 10 minutes to get the access of our on-premises machine, Mac machine to the Intune portal. I'm going to show you the all steps because this is really important for us. To create a certificate, lots of other prerequisites are required. So this is my Mac machine. I'm using currently, this is Mac operating system. Let me check the type of OS that I contain. Click on Apple icon and click more. And let me identify, this is my Apple ID that required. So with the help of this Apple ID, I'm going to create the certificate. Apart from this, if we click on the general tab, it will give you the information about your current operating system that you are using. The current OS in this machine, this is Mac OS SACWA 15.6.1 and which is up to dated, and I'm going to enroll this machine to the portal. Fine. So what are the things required? Back to the Microsoft Intune portal. This is Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Using same user ID and password, need to log in another page and access the Microsoft Intune services because the user management and license management we can manage only and only Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So select active user, and in the active user, just need to click on the user's property. Telnet is our user that I created, and I have already assigned the license of Microsoft 365 and Intune. See, two licenses we provided to this particular user, Intune, and this one is the Microsoft 365 E3. E3 can help us to get the access of, you can say that Office services, but Intune is applicable to enroll the devices. Back to the Microsoft Intune portal, and it looked like this. 11 different devices that I have already enrolled, but unfortunately, all are related to the Windows. But now it's time to know the way, the procedure to enroll our Mac machine. Just need to click on Mac operating system. No Mac operating system found. So click on enrollment and it will guide you everything. We are going to use the manual method to enroll our Mac machine. Click on Apple MDM push certificate. It will redirect you on another page. Let me delete the existing information because you should know about all the steps to enroll our machine. See, step one, two, three, four, five different steps required, and all are self-explained. So just need to go with download your CSR file. Think about the CSR. CSR is a basically certificate signing request. With the help of this CSR file, you are able to create, yes, with the help of this CSR file, you are able to create MDM push certificate. So I want to put on live class. This is my live class folder. I'm just going to copy and paste the CSR file and going back, second option, create MDM push certificate. Just need to click here using MDM push certificate. It will redirect us on this particular page where we need to provide your Apple ID. So this is the Apple ID that I'm currently using with my machine. And I'm going to log in with the help of fingerprint because I have already set the password to get the access of this wizard by using fingerprint. In your case, maybe you need to provide manual password and if any multi-factor authentication that you configure, you just need to provide the MFA. On this page, we can create a new certificate, although I have already created multiple certificates. Few certificates are expired, but few certificates are still remaining. I'm going to click on create to create a new certificate. I have read the agreement, accept, and this is the page. Recently, we downloaded one application in the sense I'm talking about the CSR file. So please select your CSR file and upload it. We successfully uploaded CSR file and it gives us option you can download your MDM push certificate. So this is MDM push certificate. I'm going to copy and put on the same location live classes. Let me paste in the same folder that we can easily access, right? Back to the page of MDM URL, Microsoft Intune portal, and please give your email ID, the Apple ID I'm talking about. So this is my Apple ID and upload your MDM push certificate. So this is our certificate that we just downloaded. Select from your base machine and click upload. This is first prerequisite that every Intune administrator need to follow the steps to manage our enrollment process. I hope everyone okay. This is the validity of certificate, expiration, your Apple ID, your serial number, your subject ID, everything successfully completed. I'm going back to on premises. So now final step will be you should download one tool. The tool name is company portal. You just need to download this particular application on your Apple machine and using same user like I created a user that we discussed telnet and we also assigned the license of Microsoft Intune and Office 365 E3. Sign in, click on sign in and provide user ID and password. So username is telnet at teachmecloud.net, right? Proceed with next. Whatever password that you configure for telnet, you just need to provide the password and authentication error. I need to check telnet at teachmecloud.net. Okay, so let me identify because I think I forgot the password for telnet. So I need to check it using incognito Outlook for verification. I'm so sorry. Let me check sign in. Tell oh sorry. The domain name is different. I'm using a different domain name. I'm so sorry. Actually, the name of user is telnet at teachmecloud.blog. Okay. So this is the actual username, the teachmecloud.blog. Provide password. I have already activated multi-factor authentication for this user account. So let me authorize my MFA from the application that I install on my mobile phone. And this is the first step, right? And company portal, we are redirecting to the page of our enrollment, begin and postpone. So definitely I want to begin it. This is two information you will find your organization cannot perform, your organization can do. View browsing history on this device, open your email contact calendar, access your password, review your document. These tasks not performed by the organization. But your organizations, once you enroll your Mac machine, view the model number, serial number, and operating system. See the name of application that you installed, identify your device by name, reset lost stolen device for factory setting. So fine, okay with that. Let me proceed with the next, continue, and it will redirect you on another page where we need to download the a management profile. This is really important. Although I have already enrolled, so maybe it will give us an error, but no worry, I'll remove the existing profile and after that we'll proceed for the new profile. And in this situation, make sure your machine must be connected with good internet speed, right? 30 Mbps minimum required, then it will redirect you on this particular page. Just need to double click on download profile, right? So once we double click on the download profile, it will automatically redirect to the installation page. And you just need to double click and proceed to install the profile. This is the final step. Okay, no problem. Wait for a few more minutes. Okay, if you're getting same like as a kind of error again and again, so very basic step required. You need to manually reset your profile. See, four different profiles are already available. You just need to remove the existing profile. I don't want to go with the existing because earlier I enrolled the profile with the help of another user, and now we are trying to install and enroll the device with the help of another user. So please double click and proceed with installation. It may be again ask us about the password of your base machine. Yes, required. So please provide the password. Now in progress, we successfully install, unenroll and going back. And this is the panel where we need to wait up to 5 to 7 minutes required because we successfully install the management profile without any error. So it will take time because it will redirect and fetch the information from Microsoft Intune portal. If everything is okay, then it will authorize us that your device is successfully enrolled. And meanwhile, going back to the Microsoft Intune portal and let me select the page and let me refresh the page basically. Zero devices, no problem. We have to wait. Still in progress. We are not able to see any devices related to the Mac operating system. Going back. Wait. It will take time. So what I need to do, let me pause the video and then I'll give you the next step because it is still in progress. So it required a time. So I'm just going to pause it and then we can proceed. Between 5 to 10 minutes, you will get a notification or your on-premises company portal that you use to configure or enroll your Mac device to the Intune portal. It's look like this. This is the training MacBook and the machine that we just enrolled, right? And let me verify from portal as well. So going back to the Microsoft Intune portal, click on all devices and see, we are able to get the access of Mac operating system. One device is available, training MacBook, Enrol, which is compliant. And this is the version of operating system enrolled by Telnet at teachmecloud.blog. Enrollment date is 9th of Jan at this time. So these all steps required to enroll any Mac based devices. I hope everyone okay with the points that we completed so far. So please stay tuned with Teach Me Cloud and we are going to connect in another class. Take care and bye bye.